Aviation Adventures with Captain Ron. Now, this is my selfie stick on my Great Lakes, and it sticks out about 4 feet there. I've stiffened it up a bit to make it more robust. That's probably wrong angle. You can't even see it, but it's still got a little bit of flexibility, okay? Yeah. I'm going to have to see if that's going to be an issue, because a little bit of vibration, yeah, probably not the greatest, but it does give the 360 view where it looks like it's somebody in front of you that you're chasing, or it's chasing you, or whatever, although formation usually isn't in front of the wingman, but I digress. Anyway, it will be ability to get some really cool videos. I've seen a few of these on YouTube where they have this stick, a selfie stick in front of the aircraft, and it just gives incredible views around the aircraft. And of course I can walk around here, and but it gives just views, and it's like the it's like the selfie stick is not even there, because the AI takes out the the selfie stick as it was. They do AI processing, which is kind of cool. But so basically what you get is a selfie stick, kind of a 360-degree view you can play with. And I just think it may be a little flexible, like I said. So I have, what I have is a 3/4-inch square tube here as my selfie stick. And I'm thinking of putting a rod down the center there, a solid rod of aluminum to stiffen it up, because it's got flexibility, and it's not really in between the end strut mounting positions. It's out in the front, because I was going for lightweight, but it may be a little too lightweight. So we'll see. It's something to play with, experiment with. Anyway, we'll see how that works out once the weather gets a bit nicer. Thanks for watching.